Forget the seasoning rub and the long hours in the smoker. Today's recipe uses an easy throw-together sauce with flavors that are beyond bold. Howard shows us how to make his crowd-pleasing brisket in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Today we're talking brisket. No, not the kind you find at a barbecue competition. This brisket doesn't require any seasoning rub or long hours in a smoker. The kind we're making today is more of a slow-cooked pot roast, and it goes together like this. This is a fresh brisket, not to be confused with a pickled corned beef brisket that we would serve on St. Patrick's Day. To get this ready for the oven, all we have to do is throw together a basic sauce made from ketchup, mustard, and brown sugar. Now, we take a cup of this and add some water to it and pour it into a roasting pan. We place the brisket on top of that, fat side up, and slather it with the rest of the sauce. At this point, the oven does the rest of the work. Once it's fork tender, which takes a few hours, all you have to do is slice it across the grain, and it's ready to serve. To say this brisket is full of flavor is an understatement, and it's so tender. To get the easy recipe for our crowd-pleasing brisket, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a slow roasted way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
I don't know, you can't beat a good smoking. Have to try it. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.